Hi there, in this video, I'm going to share the top 10 things you need to know before buying a house in the USA. So, let's get started. Number 1. Determine your budget. Before you start house hunting, determine your budget. Consider your income, expenses, and any debts you have. Number 2. Check your credit score. Your credit score will impact your ability to get a mortgage and the interest rate you'll receive. Check your credit score and address any issues before applying for a loan. Number 3. Save for a down payment. Most lenders require a down payment of at least 3% to 20% of the home's purchase price. Save up for a down payment to make your home purchase more affordable. Number 4. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage can help you know exactly how much you can afford and make your offer more attractive to sellers. Number 5. Research neighborhoods. Look for neighborhoods that fit your lifestyle and budget. Consider factors such as commute time, schools, and amenities. Number 6. Hire a real estate agent. A good agent can help you navigate the home buying process, negotiate with sellers, and find the right home for you. Number 7. Attend open houses. Attend open houses to get a feel for different types of homes and neighborhoods. Number 8. Get a home inspection. A home inspection can reveal any issues with the home before you make an offer, giving you the opportunity to renegotiate the price or back out of the sale. Number 9. Consider the long-term costs. Factor in the cost of maintenance, repairs, and utilities when deciding if a home is affordable for you. Number 10. Be prepared for closing costs. Closing costs can add up to 2% to 5% of the home's purchase price. Be prepared to pay these costs in addition to your down payment. There you have it, the top 10 things you need to know before buying a house in the USA. Remember, buying a home is a big decision, but with the right information and guidance, you can make an informed decision that's right for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to me and it helps me continue creating more videos that you'll love. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.